Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So sorry guys, I have not available, so I really apologize that I have not uploaded any videos of Forex or any commodities. So right now we can see the major Forex pairs which can be gonna analyze and gonna trade on Monday to Friday. Okay guys, this is the one of the major supporting areas you can see here guys. This is the major supporting area, and one thing is here you can see here is that this is acting as a trend line. Okay guys, what you have to see here is that guys, here if once again it will consolidate and break, then you can expect your first target will be here guys, second target, and your third target will be the 160 up till 160 guys. Okay guys, if it will came downside and take somewhere here resistance guys, or it will make somewhere here and broken this area guys. Okay guys, your first target will be here guys, next target will be here, third target, and fourth and final target. Hope you are getting this analysis guys. This is the euro versus JBP, this is the JBP versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, GBP versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, so here one of the trend line is going on. I will just draw it guys for you. You can see here guys. Okay, from here it is the one of the trend line, and from here it will be the somewhere here, like this trend line is going on. For upside we can discuss first. If continuously consolidate then broken, then you can expect your first target will be here guys, second target, third and fourth and final target guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum. Hope you are getting. Please, if you are taking any trade at second point only, you can book your 60 to 70% your profit, and other remaining percent you can go for your third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, this is the risk management what I follow. If you follow that rule, so you can get the proper way. If you are the risky trader, then you can go for third and fourth both the trades with the full quantity, but I will not tell you to take third and fourth up till whole quantity. Some of the partially booking is very important guys, that's why I have told you to book there. Okay guys, if this will consolidate and came downside then broken, our first target will be here, second target, and continuously this will be the one of the area where it is continuously taking support. So right now it will be broken, then will be the third target, and fourth and final target will be somewhere here guys. Okay guys, we can see the next is USD versus CAD guys. USD versus CAD, you can see here guys, very nice. Ali, I have expected that this is the trend line, this is the broken, and here somewhere only we have taken our position, and very nicely we have made a huge profit. Somewhere here you can see here guys, continuously resistance is taking. So what we have to do is right now is that it will be the major supporting areas somewhere here. Okay guys, what we have to see right now is that if it will be the going upside and broken this, then you can go for first, and this is the second and last target for me guys. Okay guys, I will not give you third and fourth target because I am not saying that the USD versus CAD going to give more breakout. Okay, if price action gonna make and gives the breakout of this too, then you can see the price action and you can continue your trade guys. You can see the my price action video also I have uploaded only. You can check out there, you can get the how price action gonna work. Okay guys, if it will came downside and take resistance guys, then our first target will be somewhere here guys, second target will be somewhere here, and our third target, final target will be somewhere here guys. Why I gonna tell you is that because you can see here guys, whoever the buyer are there, whoever has been missed this rally, who haven't missed this, that's okay, but who have missed this rally, they can wanted to once again re-entry here guys. So that's why you have to book your full quantity somewhere here only. Okay guys, because this rally is very huge rally of the buyer, so once again buyer will try to take it upside momentum. Okay guys, hope you are getting the small points which I am telling you in detail guys. Okay guys, right now you can see here, I will just stretch it on, and right now it is at a very nicely supporting area. Okay guys, this somewhere here guys, just a second guys. Okay guys, if it will going and taking resistance and broken this guys, you have to see that this has to broke. Okay guys, this line has been broken, then you can see that it will shoot up till first target will be here, second target, and third and final target will be here guys. These are the three target which I will tell you to take and consider it upside momentum. Okay guys, in downside also we can see here guys, what happened if it will continuously consolidate and once again came downside. Our first target will be here, second target will be here. If this is broken, then only you can expect the huge downside momentum, these four target. Okay guys, somewhere and the downside momentum I'm not expecting in this GBP versus USD guys, so I'm expecting the upside momentum only, but market is superior, so we have to see that the where is the market going on. If market is going upside momentum, then we are very good quantity we can purchase there and take it upside momentum. Okay guys, you can see here guys, this is the trend line continuously taking resistance. So what we have to see is that somewhere here also the supporting zone will be acted. Okay guys, so first of all I will take that the upside momentum, if it will continuously consolidate break, then our first target will be a second target, third and final target. For me this is the third and final target guys. If price action going to made and you are confident with your trade, then you can take it more also. Okay guys, if it will continuously consolidate or take resistance somewhere here only, you can go for first target, second target, and even third target guys. These are the three target for downside momentum. Okay guys, third target, and even I can see here fourth target too guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in downside momentum. Okay guys, so we can see the next is euro versus GBP. You can see here guys, continuously taking here support, so I will just stretch it on, so somewhere. Okay, good. Now what happened, it will continuously consolidate, take support, then you can expect your first target, this will be the second target, third and fourth and final target guys. These are the four target which you can expect guys. If this is broken, then only go for these two target guys. Otherwise from here only I will just show it up. So here only you can book your whole quantity. Okay guys, now we can see the downside momentum, where downside momentum will goes on. If this is the broken trend line, then you can expect your first target, then this is the one of the area where the bar going to defend. If this is broken, then I can expect our third target, our fourth target also very huge. Fourth target guys, these are the four target which we can take if this is broken. This, because here I will tell you once again, here is the bar dominance is very high guys, that's why I am telling you this is the broken. Then you have to see some little time, if this week also be coming here. So this is the broken, I will just take it downside only so you can get the proper way. Okay, this week has been broken, then you can go for downside, huge momentum will be coming along. Okay guys, we can see for next is the AUD versus CHF. So here what happened, continuously upside momentum is going on. So first of all you have to see that this area has to broke. Okay guys, if this is broken and taken support, our first target, second, third, and even fourth and final target guys. Okay guys, these are the four target which you can conclude. Okay guys, if it will continuously consolidate and this area has been broken, then you can see that this will be our first target, and first target, then our second target, then our third and final target guys. These are the three of our target which we can expect from this AUD versus CHF. Okay guys, these are the three target in downside. Okay guys, so next is NSD versus USD. So this is the one of the bullish candle I am seeing and continuously consolidating. If this area guys, okay guys, you can expect that this area will be broken, or this area also be good enough, but this area has been broken. If came and broken, then you can expect your first target, second target, third target. Okay guys, I will not tell you to trade in this mostly, but one of the thing is that I am seeing is here some of the thing is that trend line is going on. Okay guys, if here somewhere it will consolidate, okay guys, here consolidate, after that it has been broken, then you can expect the huge momentum will be came. Okay guys, up till here also you can get it 4 target. Okay guys, in downside we can see that if it will came downside, then once again it will be act as a supporting area. If this is broken, then you can expect that the our first target, our second target, our third and final target guys. These are the some of the target for NSD versus USD. Okay guys, so hope you are getting the all the analysis what we have been discussed guys. Hope you are getting the analysis. If you have any queries guys, please now crypto and some of the commodity also in both mix all only. I will give you the video also, that will also I will provide you within 4 to 5 hours guys. I need to time to analysis in all them, so I will take and analyze them and give you the best out of analysis. Okay guys, hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching.